I wanted to talk just a little more about payments and advances, etc., that are paid on towards a royalty statement. One thing I didn't go over is that there is a separate file called payments in case you encounter it. It's not normally where you would go to enter data. I just wanted you to be aware of it so you can always drill down and see your data. Now, there's a go button at the end of each payment line for advance and royalty. So if you want to click that, you can. You click the go button. It takes you to a purple screen that's just the payment screen. You notice this is a different file called payments. It gives you some data, some general data about this payment, and it stores it in the file. And then I'm going to click the hide button down here to go back to where I was. So if I want to see an advance, I can click the first one. It says advance. I'm going to hide it. If I want to see a payment, I can click on the second one. It says royalty. So when I click the royalty, it takes me to this record that says royalty. So it has a type. It tells it the check's been issued, but you don't use this file. All your data will be entered in this portal. But I just wanted you to be aware that when you're adding data here, it's going into a separate file. And that was all I wanted to tell you. It's a simple thing. All right. Let's see what happens if we click this. Yeah, that's an advance. It takes us over to an advance. I had to click it twice. Again, not that you need to go there, but you can if you wish, or if you need to customize something, you'll be aware that that file is in there. If you wanted, for example, to hook something to QuickBooks or hook it up to your software, that might be a good place to check your deposits and your payments out, because they get spilled into that file. Let's see if we have any. Yeah, payment. See if there's any deposits in here. Yeah, for example, there's a deposit that was made for $100. Some different. There's a $15,000 deposit. So let's see, related check. We don't use that. Related project. Okay, so in general, it's just information that's logged. So if you ever need to customize.